Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to my English class. Today we will do revision of grammar. Children, in grammar we are going to revise a or an article. So let's start. Children, as we all know that in English alphabet we have 26 letters. How many letters? Total 26 letters. And out of 26 letters, letter A, E, I, O, U. Letter A, E, I, O, U are called vowel and the rest of the letters are called consonant. Okay? Letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowel and the rest of the letters are called consonant. Okay? Dear student, listen carefully. A's best friend is consonant. A's best friend is consonant. So the article A is specifically used to a naming word which start with a consonant sound. Okay? And Anne's best friend is vowel. Anne's best friend is vowel. So the article Anne is used to a naming word which start with a vowel sound. For example, children, look at the word. If it start with a vowel sound, we will use an. And if it start with a consonant sound, we will use a. Now, the first letter of egg is E. It's a vowel sound. So, we will use an. An egg. An egg. Next example, banana. The first letter of banana is B. It is a consonant sound. So, we will use a banana. A banana. Next word is tomato. Tomato. The first letter of tomato is T. T is a consonant sound. So, we will use a tomato. A tomato. Next, orange. The first letter of orange is O. The first letter of orange is O. So we will use an orange. An orange. Understood? Children, now I am going to tell you again about the use of a or an. Okay? A is used before the word that starts with sound of a consonant. Okay? For example, a book, a chair, a pencil, a cat. Now, I am telling you where an is used. Okay? Where an is used. An is used before the word that starts with the sound of a vowel. Okay? And the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay? For example, an apple, an elephant, an owl, an igloo, an umbrella. Right? Okay. Now, I hope you have understood the use of a and an. Now, children, please take out page number E8 from your English literature book. Grammar part. First, A. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Now, children, let's try to do it the first one. First one is dash hen and dash egg. Children, tell me which article we should use. Yes, very good. A hen and an egg. Okay. The next word, axe. Now, children, tell me which article we should use. Yes, very good. That's right. An axe. An axe. Now, third one, dash ass and dash ox. Dash ass and dash ox. Children, tell me which article we should use. Should we use a A ass and A ox? No, that's wrong. We should use an ass and an ox. Okay. Next, fourth one. Dash elf and dash fairy. Dear student, please tell me which article we should use. That's right. An elf and a fairy. Okay. An elf and a fairy. Fifth one. Dash letter and dash envelope. Okay. Which article we should use? Yes, very good. A letter and an envelope. A letter and an envelope. Okay. Now sixth one. Dash bat and dash owl. Dash bat and dash owl. Which article we should use? Yes, very good. A bat and an owl. Okay, very good. Please complete this A, fill in the blanks with A or N in your textbook and in notebook also. Now B1, fill in the blanks with A or N. First one, there is a dash apple and dash orange on the plate. Dear students, what I told you before that, I am going to revise it in short. A is used before the word that starts with sound of a consonant. For example, a book, a chair, a pencil, a cat. Okay. And an is used before the word that starts with the sound of a vowel. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an elephant, an owl. Okay. So we can, first one, there is an apple and an orange on the plate. Okay. Look at on page number E8. Next, second sentence. Dash oak is dash big tree. An oak is a big tree. Third one. Dash elephant is dash huge animal. Answer will be an elephant is a huge animal. Dash armchair is dash piece of furniture. An armchair is a piece of furniture. Fifth, dash umbrella is dash useful thing. An umbrella is a useful thing. Sixth one, he bought dash ox and dash buffalo. He bought an ox and a buffalo. Seventh, he ate dash egg and dash banana for breakfast. He ate an egg and a banana for breakfast. Last eighth one, Sri Lanka is dash. Sri Lanka is dash island. Sri Lanka is an island. Dear students, please take out page number E9. Question number C. Circle the error in each sentence and rewrite them in your notebook. Okay? Write down in your notebook. First one. Raj is a unkind man. Raj is a unkind man. Put the circle on A letter and correct sentence will be Raj is an unkind man. Okay. Second sentence, an boy is dancing on the stage. Put the circle on the word an. An boy is dancing on the stage. Correct sentence will be a boy is dancing on the stage. Okay. Third, Ram's father is a engine driver. Okay. So put the circle on A because vowel is there now. So Ram's father is a engine driver. Correct sentence will be Ram's father is an engine driver. Okay, understood students? Okay. Fourth sentence. My sister wants a ice cream too. My sister wants a ice cream too. Put the circle on A letter. Okay. Correct sentence will be my sister wants an ice cream too. My sister wants an ice cream too. Okay. Fifth one. She saw a app in the zoo. So put the circle on letter A. Okay. And the correct sentence will be she saw an app in the zoo. Okay. Sixth. A artist is painting. Put the circle on A letter. A artist is painting. And the correct sentence will be an artist is painting. Okay. Seventh. A rabbit is an small animal. Put the circle on an letter. So correct sentence will be a rabbit is a small animal. Okay. 8. Take a umbrella. It's raining outside. Put the circle on A and the correct sentence will be take an umbrella. It's raining outside. Dear students, please rewrite these sentences in your English notebook. And please remember about the use of a and an. I am going to tell you again. A is used before the word that starts with sound of a consonant. Okay. For example, a book, a chair, a pencil, a cat. Okay. And the an is used before the word that starts with the sound of a vowel. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. You have to remember these things. Okay. For example, an apple, an elephant, an owl, an igloo, an umbrella. Okay. Dear students, I hope you have understood the use of a and an. Thank you.